Hey, what's up, squad? So, today I am back with another. Today I'm back with another video, you guys. Yeah, you dig? Hold on, dude. I forgot to get my. Yeah, we got the same phone case, so y'all. So.
I've been recording for 8 hours and 30 minutes.
Hey, it wasn't no 8 hours, it was 8 minutes, bro.
8 minutes.
Calm down. He said, ma'am.
Alright guys, I'm going to end the video right here. I'll do some more slime tomorrow. Because this channel, this one, I'm doing an episode right now. It's like, episode 2 of Martavian / Dark. That's what the show is called.
Alright, gang.
Guys.
I said.
This thing is so bright on my face.
Bye, y'all. Let me say something.
It's gonna be blind now.
Alright, on gang. There you go.
I think you. Alright.
Alright, y'all. Right now we are watching zombies. I'm about to show you this video real quick. That's about to happen, gang.
Did you put lotion in this?
Not today. I don't know. Alright, gang, that was a short clip of it. I don't feel like showing you the rest of it because that was too long. So, a lot of people has watched Zombies today. Fuck. Alright, so yeah, gang. Let's set y'all back up. So yeah, gang. Let's set y'all back up. So, what I'm doing right now is playing with this slime.
Oh god. Get this off me. Why did I do this?
You're not stupid, I'll slap you.
I did this. There's dead at the top.
Alright, then I'm going to put my slide up here. Just kidding. Just kidding. Y'all can't get my phone number. I don't know y'all. Well, Yeah, fan, but ain't no hackers on here anymore.
But you need to be careful because some hackers, because there are hackers.
They fucking hackers, yo. Uh-huh. So y'all really need to be careful. Cool, cool. Alright, yo. So,
Are you gonna edit a video?
no.
When? Are you gonna edit?
So, gang. I'm gonna show you what my brother's watching.
Alright, I'm watching this.
They are watching Tay is watching my slime video. Well, Tay's about to post this video. So go to
Martavion/Darkness.
Garrett. Go to Martavion/Darkness Garrett Crane and subscribe to his channel.
And don't forget to leave a like. And comment down below, please.
Hey.
This is my third video that I have done.
Hey gang, there you go. Go to that. Link will be in the description down below. Gang. So yeah.
And now post it.
Link will be down in the description below. So don't forget to go subscribe to my little brother's channel. Cause we are new YouTubers, so yes, honey. We gonna be everybody. By Christmas, I am trying to reach 100K. Yeah, by this Christmas, I have faith in everybody. By this Christmas, I'm trying to reach 100K. I'm trying to reach 100K, y'all. Yeah, I'm a little bit sick, sorry, y'all. So yeah, I'm a little bit sick, so if I reach 100K before Christmas, I will give a shout out to everybody's Instagram, everybody's Snapchat, and everybody's social media that they comment down below. And I'll have a giveaway. For 3 iPhones. 3 iPhones, some gift cards. So,
I'm so sad.
What's up?
On this one, I got 1 view, no likes, no dislikes, and no subscribers. Sad.
1 dislike?
No dislikes, no likes, 1 viewer, but no subscribers.
You're doing.
I got 2 viewers.
So shout out, yay. Gang. Gang, hey. Gang, hey. For real though. I'm not playing, I'll actually do that for y'all. If y'all give me 100K before Christmas, I'll be back on gang. Alright, gang, I'm back. And right now, I got a little idea. I'm about to make some backwards slime, yo. You ready for this? Alright, stay tuned. Bam!
Low instead of rock and roll.
Alright, gang, I'm gonna show you this another dance video. Just kidding. This dance video. looks like they could be brothers and sisters. Alright, gang, that was another dance video. Alright, see y'all in a minute. Alright, gang, I have my little bit of Tide. I have to take this slime out because I'm using this container. And got my glue. So yeah, let's get it.
Today's the 12th, right?
Yeah, this slime is this is another backward slime that I did. It came out really, really good. I love it. This slime came out really, really good. I love it. Alright. Okay, gang. So, let me finish getting this stuff. Because I gotta get my paint done. Alright, so, first what we gotta add is this little bit of Tide. I rest my little bit of Tide. See? Okay. Yeah. So I use that little bit of Tide. And I am about to add my food coloring. Alright. So I had to get another tray so y'all actually can see step by step what I'm doing. I added my Tide. Now what I'm doing is adding, no, I don't add my paint yet. Now what I do is add my glitter, what kind of glitter I want. I'm adding, okay, I'll be up there in a little bit. So get him. Wait, you're sleeping up there? Can you hear me a spoon before you go up there? Or hear me at one of those pencils? So, yeah. So, yeah, I have spilt Tide as y'all can see. So, yeah. And I just sweep it up on my slime still sticky. So, we gotta mix this in. So now I just added that silver because I don't want that one. So now what I'm gonna add is like gonna add my paint. So yep, so I'm gonna add my paint, mix that up. Mix up that paint. So now what I'm going to do is add some of this glitty glue. Yes. So I hate this. Alright. I'm about to add, see my mixture. I'm about to add some of my glue again. But they have a blue. So yeah, I'm gonna put my glue over there. Finish mixing this glue up. Again. So yeah. See you again. this so far is coming together, but I'm gonna have to add a little bit more glue. So I think I added too much to the tide. Alright, gang. So.
Get your guys' bowls and stuff put up. And get your plates scraped off, Tay.
Tay went upstairs, Babel.
Where's my other brother?
Deshaun, nobody knows.
Ashanti, you know, you at least need to get your stuff together so that we guys can get a house. Ashanti, you need to start folding your blankets before you leave in the damn morning. I should have to get up and fold your blankets up.
So now, I'm gonna mix this in though.
Way too good of a cheerleader for like the way it is.
I'm cheering for a change.
I'm gonna add a little bit more of this Tide paint stuff. So, right now, y'all, this is so far a sticky fail, but I'm about to keep mixing up and yeah.
I'm gonna smack the shit out of you. That's what I thought.
So now I'm going to add the rest of this slime and just see if it'll actually help me get better. Yeah, gang. I will see you guys when I finish getting this done. Alright, gang. I don't want to make this little short vlog clip too long. So, what I'm going to do, I have been recording for 21 minutes and some seconds. I'm not about to make this all long. So, I got the slime done good. Backward slime worked, so I recommend y'all go do it. So, tune in to next time on Legends Gang, Legends Squad. See you next time on Gang!